Okay, let's try this. Here we have a standard card scraper. It's already been all sharpened and everything. This is the Veritas Card Scraper Holder. The idea of this is to hold this card scraper and push on the center in an adjustable manner so that you don't have to flex the card with your thumbs. Instead, this device does it. Here's how it does it. We have these two little brass plugs. Each one has a knurled screw on the end, and as it tightens, it pulls it in and into a wedge, pushing down on the card scraper corner against that rubber stop. So to get the card scraper in, you loosen off these plugs, push in, put the card scraper in there, and push it in. It stops against the top here. Then we tighten down these knurled knobs, just finger tight. Doesn't have to be as tight as the end of the world. So it starts off pretty flat. Then you adjust this knurled knob to push in and create as much curve as you want in your card scraper. Then when you hold it, you can wrap your fingers around and put your thumbs here and push. I think the big thing about gripping this is that it's a lot easier on your thumbs than it is pushing the card scraper into the right shape with your thumbs. Alright, so the card scraper is all set up. How does it perform? Well, I just take it, place it on the wood, push straight ahead, and you can see that we're getting shavings off of this maple, which is obviously not smooth and flat yet. But there you go. It allows you to work at a lot more different angles than would a ordinary plain card scraper, and that is indeed a lot easier on your hands.